This is now the sterling silver gemstone necklace. Look at this price. Under $30, great impact. Yes, you can wear some of your beautiful pendants from Himalayan gems on these necklaces. Lowest quantity is in the moonstone. We have the amethyst, the iolite, the labradorite, the garnet, the smoky quartz, the green aventurine, the peridot, and the rainbow moonstone. Wow. Okay, you're going to have to walk me through which is which when we get there.
Okay, but just to mention what we are looking at here are large chips of gemstones. These are, nuggets of gemstones. There's nothing synthetic about them. And to get, the carat weights we're looking at here in the aventurine, 87 carats, the iolite, 100 carats, in the labradorite, 107, peridot, 71, rainbow moonstone, 125, smoky quartz, 99 carats. So there we have the peridot, labradorite, garnets, aventurine. You have your amethyst, smoky quartz, and then that beautiful rainbow, and then your iolite, of course, on the far side.
And Kelly has on
the iolite, I believe.
Iolite, very pretty.
So just for this time of year in particular, with an outfit like Kelly's wearing, those beautiful summer colors, something like this will give you that pop of color. Sterling silver findings from Italy. I just want to mention we have these hand strung in Italy, in India, on very high quality beading wire. And just where else but on the shopping channel are you going to find something like this for $29.99?
Unbelievable.